Hello everyone and welcome to Flipkart. It is a commonly acclaimed fact that German engineering is the best in the world, and Bosch is a true blue German company that is known for the quality, robust build, aesthetics and user-friendly products. And the smart new Bosch dishwasher is no exception. Bosch is the #1 dishwasher brand in the world. Now let's take a closer look at the features to find out what really sets apart Bosch dishwasher from the others. Bosch dishwashers are German engineered products especially made for the Indian markets. To make your task easy, Bosch dishwasher has various different built-in programs. All the wash programs including intensive karai are designed keeping Indian cooking habits in mind. Its powerful spray arms along with 70 degrees hot water removes all the stubborn masala, turmeric and oil stains, giving your dishes a sparkling shine. So you won't have to rigorously put your energy in scrubbing and washing the dishes after your house gatherings. This Bosch dishwasher heats up the water to 70 degrees Celsius and kills 99.9% germs and bacteria, giving you a hygienic wash, which is not possible in case of hand wash, where you continuously use the same sponge along with cold water to scrub the utensils. Bosch dishwashers are the good news to the Indian environment, as it uses only 9.5 liters of water for each wash, as against approximately 60 liters of water utilized during hand wash. Also, the dishwashers are highly energy efficient and use only about 1 unit of energy for each wash. It has adjustable racks and tines to suit big Indian utensils like karai, cooker, pots, pans, stainless steel utensils, glassware, microwavable plastics, etc. The racks can be moved up and down to accommodate utensils of different sizes. The lighter utensils like bowls, spatulas and glasses can go in the upper rack, while the heavier ones like pressure cooker, pots and karai can easily fit in the lowest rack. The plus point is that even your precious crockery pieces are safe to fit in. And even after fitting those, there is still enough room for your plates, spoons and other utensils. And this dishwasher will give the perfect shine to each one of them after wash. If there is an unexpected increase in your guest list on the last moment, all you have to do is select Express Sparkle program and get sparkling clean and dry utensils in just 60 minutes. With the power of Bosch dishwashers, all you need to do is put all kinds of soiled dishes inside the dishwasher and the auto program will take care of the rest. With the help of load sensors, the program automatically adjusts the water usage, temperature and rinse time to give you an optimum wash. The best part is that you don't have to pre-rinse the utensils before loading the dishwasher. All you need to do is just scrape off the leftovers like you do in manual washing. And it's not necessary to fully load the dishwasher for a wash, as this dishwasher even gives you the flexibility to wash half load if you have fewer utensils to wash. The dishwasher will automatically adjust and utilize optimum amount of water and electricity to give you the perfect results. The good news is that this dishwasher comes with a 10-year warranty against rust through in a tub, which makes this dishwasher a one-time easy investment for your households. You can now bid a goodbye to your buys, as washing the dishes was never so easy and fun before the Bosch dishwasher. So come aboard the Flipkart family for a seamless purchase experience with quick delivery, hassle-free installation, detailed demo and a short brand warranty for all your appliances.